To change the default app for PDF file on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find apps. Tap apps and then tap choose default apps. Tap opening links. As the example, if the first time you open a PDF file and accidentally set Drive as the default app, and now you want to change the default app for PDF file to Note app, then first you have to clear default in the Drive app. To do so, find Drive by scrolling down the screen. Tap Drive. And then tap clear button next to clear default. Now you can open a PDF file and then set Note app as its default app. To do so, open My Files app. Next, navigate to the folder where you save the PDF file. Tap the PDF file. A pop-up appears to let you select which app you like to open the PDF file. Tap Samsung Note and then tap Always. By doing this, now your phone will always use Samsung Notes app each time you open a PDF file. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.